What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Firstly, sincere apologies for being absent for so long. We've just been working on other things in the business. Got a couple of really cool things coming in the background. We're starting to kind of change up what the company does, and with that, we kind of just needed to take a pause off all our social media related things. Just to give you guys a quick insight, this is going to be a very short video. We're just going to have a quick look at the Nasdaq, and we are going to look at the calendar for the month, for the week, right? So what we're seeing with Nasdaq now, so let's just do the daily time frame quickly. According to our analysis, this is the little liquidity pool forming here. Here you can see break of structure. That was our indication that the market might melt. Here we first saw the lower highs being formed, and then the market ranged. We got a break. They tried to trap us out to take the buy, and we fell. Bam, the market fell down, right? So now because we're here, we kind of want to get an entry to confirm we're going to chase the buys now. So guys, just so that you know, for your own peace of mind, the green lines are my targets for if we do end up buying. So what is my hope for this time? Remember, we'll just quickly do both ways. Remember, guys, I'm doing it on a daily chart. If you want to see it broken down further, feel free to join the Telegram channel. We will share everything on there. We'll share our daily setups on there. And yeah, just feel free to join the channel at any time. If there are any other charts you want me to look at, please comment in the section below. So Nasdaq, so where we are now, this I don't take as the higher low. I mean, even though if you went to a lower time frame, that could actually be seen as a higher low because the market never dropped since then, right? Now, what are we waiting for? So we want to see what's going to happen here, right? So in an ideal world, what I'd like to do is first chase small targets, right? So I would want to chase something. So I took the buy from here already, from this candle, this close, and then took the buy from here. So I have my buy look something like this, right? And my target is all the way up there. So naturally, this isn't normally the kind of risk to reward I'm looking for. However, we didn't get a confirmed low up here yet, so I'm gonna keep my stop where it is now, right? Now we just first want to chase the trend line. Remember, this is the trend line that we've been hovering over the past videos and all that kind of things, right? So now what do we want to look for now, right? We want to seek an entry for the buy, so we want to do something like this, right? So guys, I'm sure you'd notice I'm just basically chasing the trend line. The target could probably go further up if need be, but this is what mine would look like for the buy now, right? Yeah, something like that, right? In order for me to take this buy, the 8 MA must be up there as well, right? If that's the conservative entry, right? If hypothetically speaking the daily can hold that, right, I'll get in just above the 200 instead, right? Then my stop loss would look something like this, right? That would be the difference in the entries. So I'm just going to pause there for a little bit. This would be the first one, a little bit conservative, a little bit more aggressive. Reason why I don't want to take it from immediately, I'm actually waiting on the crossover of the 8 and the 14 MAs. That's just something for me. You don't have to wait for it. Sometimes they are delayed, but that's what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for a bullish candle to come take this up. So what we see, guys, is a bullish expansion, right? Explosive move. 1, 2, 3 bear candles. This is something I teach my guys. 1, 2, 3 bear candles. Now we're waiting on to see what this daily candle close does for us. If this daily candle close can close above the 8 and the 14, that's fine. That's also an indication that you can get in. However, I'm not going to take that trade. I want to break above the 200 based on what we've seen on the lower time frames, right? That's your buy sentiment. So if you choose to take the buy, let's say hypothetically you choose to take the buy from here, this whole thing could be your target, guys. But remember, this is going to take all kinds of patience. If you're going to do that, move your stop loss wider a little bit, right? Just to not get taken out while we come test the 8 and the 14 to drag it, or to drag the chart all the way up and make sure the 8 keeps up with the momentum of the market, right? That, in an ideal world, this will take a while, right? But this is the ultimate move for me for now. It's just that you guys know. I will break it down, in terms of like what we're going to do, right? So now what we'd like to do next is we'd like to just take the potential sells into consideration. So let's say hypothetically this is just a pullback. If we pulled out our Fibonacci from the top here down to the retrace, we can see we're in that mid-level. I'm not sure if I mentioned this before, guys, but there's a level here smack bang in the middle of the 78.6 and the 61.8. That's also a valid area if that's the case, right? And that's just the retest for the buy, for the sell, right? That's okay. Your targets would look something like this, right? So we got short position, right? We want to get in from here. We then go to this level here, 38.2, and then we put our stop loss. We put our take profit down at the -27. That's your first target. Now, as you can see, that -27 is a serious area, guys. Check the price action out, right? Then, just for your own peace of mind, put another one down at the -61.8. Those of you who don't know what these levels are, please refer to my video, the Fibonacci video. I have shared the technique. These are normally my target points, -27 and 61.8, right? That's the kind of targets you start seeking, right? So these are the two levels. As you can see, I already had a support there. That's great confluence, meaning if we do sell, that would be where I'll chase, right? So in terms of NAS, don't take it too seriously for now. Let Monday pass by, see what kind of confirmations you get. If we can get above this 8 and 14 MA today or tomorrow, we should be solid for the buy. If not, oh well. Because remember, guys, the market could also do something like this. It could come up, rally up, form a double top, and then fall. So these are things we're going to have to monitor, right? So what I'll do is, I'll do another market outlook video. Well, not outlook. We're going to do like a recap on what we've covered. So just remember, guys, this is your sell sentiments. The red, gray, and green. Those are my target points, right? For the sell. For the buy, if we take the less conservative buy, this is what it would look like, and this is the one I would actually consider taking because remember, if we can break the 8 and the 14 and the 200, this would be the target that I'm kind of chasing. This won't happen in the week, I don't think. We could be wrong, we could be right, but for your peace of mind, target this one first. Same risk to reward area, 15,900 should be your target. If you take the buy and we do confirm, you could just wait for it to break above this area and kind of just have a more conservative entry, something like that, right? That's pretty decent. How many pips is that? Yeah, solid 6,000 pips. Yeah, so you guys are ready for both buy and sell side, right? So to not waste further time, let's have a look at the news. So news for this week looking super promising for USD. We have the only thing that's really like getting to me now, like wanting to pay attention to, is the core CPI and the other initial jobless claims. These two should show us quite a bit with NAS. So Thursday, we're looking Thursday Action Central. Let's all keep eyes on that, right? Then if you refer to Friday, you'll see the Fed monetary policy report. This is a vital thing, guys. You want to keep eyes on it. You want to get as much data of this. These are the kinds of things you guys should be reading often. Those of you who want to learn more about these fundamental trading tactics, we do teach our guys like how to properly use fundamental trading. And yeah, that's about it for the news, guys. That's about it for the charts. In terms of NASDAQ, don't be hasty this week. As you guys will notice, my charts look a little bit different to how I normally do them. We've recently started integrating liquidity trading into our trades. And what that means is we kind of just seek liquidity entries. So we teach that. So me as personally and our other co-founder, we use it on long-term time frames like daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 2 hours. We use it there. But we also teach it to our guys on how to use it from a scalping perspective. So spot like certain elements on H1, for example, and then you implement them into the 15-minute chart or the 30-minute chart, depending on what kind of like trader you are. Okay? So guys, like there's a lot coming. I'm going to start uploading videos regarding these things. Everything looks solid for now on NASDAQ. We're kind of just waiting and watching right now. As you can see, we're coming into the London Open. Excuse the little airplane if you guys can hear that. Yeah, we're coming into the London Open. Moves are going to get a little bit manic now, and things should calm down. Just for those of you who do trade on a 1 hour chart, just watch this line, yeah? That's what's causing this thing to drop. Right now, as you can see, we got multiple spits there. That was a perfect scalp opportunity, right? To take on a lower time frame, like daily. For example, if I pull out my Fibonacci, here you see you get bearish divergence, bam. So we'll go straight into the oversold level, and then we might shoot up again, we might not. Totally up to you guys. But if you guys want to know more about how we go about this, feel free to subscribe to our channel. I'll be uploading a lot more liquidity videos now, multiple setups, examples thereof. If there's specific pairs you want me to try and point it out in, please comment in the comments box below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video.